My fridge is never complete without a little tub of ricotta. And I'm sure a lot of you out there are wondering, how do you make it from scratch? Well, I've got Giorgio from That's Amore. He is the expert in ricotta making. I love your ricotta.
Thank you. Our ricotta is the real ricotta. The word ricotta means recooked. Ricotta, it comes because we cook the milk first, and then this one at the moment is 40 degrees.
Yes.
We cook the milk, and then once we make the whey, we cook the whey. We're going to use the whey, and the curd will be for the cheese.
Okay.
So this is a 40 degrees full cream milk. We put a spoon of yogurt, just for using as a starter culture.
Right.
And to this one, we're going to put also some rennet.
Right.
In particular, this one is no animal rennet we're using into our production.
Okay.
So we stir in the milk very well. This is going to become curd. And then in the moment we start to cut it, we can see the whey. We're going to separate the curd and the whey, and the whey is what we need. After a few minutes, what we're going to have, this milk is become like a gel.
Right.
Look at this.
Like magic. Oh, my goodness.
It's all solid,
Wow.
and
that
you
could
can
take
see
moments or up to 10 minutes.
up to 10 minutes,
Yes.
20 minutes. It depends on what kind of starter culture we're using, what temperature we're using. There's a lots of things that are changing this. But you can see already some cheese whey coming out. This is liquid. Actually, we're going to cut this in little cube. This is called curd. But soon the curd will start to release the whey. In few minutes, you will see a lot of whey. And these cubes, it will shrink.
These curds, what other cheeses would you make at That's Amore?
But there is a big variety of cheese we can make from cashew to mozzarella, all cow milk in this case. We also can make with buffalo milk. We also transform in buffalo milk.
And you can see all of this liquid whey, and naturally you'd want to throw it away, but not for ricotta.
Not for ricotta. What we need actually is probably this liquid, this whey. The whey is very interesting. Inside the whey, we have the lactose of the milk. We have the whey protein. Whey protein is very good for you. They're very noble protein, and people take it for the gym. They taking this filtered milky protein for go at the gym and build up muscles.
Forget all that. We don't care about that. We care about ricotta. And you've
Absolutely.
got a lot of whey over here.
Here we already put a big pot of whey on top of the fire, and this is the process to make a ricotta. We make a ricotta from the whey. All the fat in the milk stay in the curd. So can you pass me the salt, please?
Sure can.
In our recipe, we have salt. Salt, I believe, is a magic ingredient.
Sure is.
And for give a little bit more strength, we're stirring a little bit. For give a little bit more strength, we add a little bit more milk. So in the factory at That's Amore, we have a big pot, practically 1,000 liters. You can pour in. Normally, I splash milk everywhere.
I don't want to put any on your lovely T-shirt, Giorgio.
No, thank you. At the moment, we're just stirring this. We will need to bring this to 90 degrees. Actually, you can help me with this.
Can do.
Make it work a little bit. And the ricotta will come up to the top.
Okay, well, it's 70, so we'll be watching this like a hawk. And 90.
Perfect. This is what we want to. It's a 90. Now we can turn it off the fire. And the ricotta, I will show in a second, is just a layer on surface.
At 90, that is the optimum temperature for the perfect texture of the ricotta.
Absolutely. So now what are we doing? We take it off this little foam we have on top. And in my hometown in Sicily, you normally go into the farm and enjoying this ricotta off the pot.
Oh, wow. Gee, that would be such a treat. You can actually see it just here sitting on the top.
Absolutely. Perfect. And now it's ready to put in the basket.
Okay.
So we use these little things for collecting everything.
So just a strainer and you strain it in. And hey, pronto, you have a ricotta.
Real ricotta.
Real ricotta.
From whey. Ricotta from the whey.
Yeah.
This in the reality is the real ricotta. It's a whey protein, low fat, very good for you. For people that want an healthy diet, an healthy food, it's super healthy. It's low fat and the whey protein is a very noble protein. They're good for your body.
And besides the health benefits of it, it just tastes fantastic in a sweet, context, in a savoury context.
There's thousands of applications from savory to antipasto, main dish, dessert.
I absolutely love it. And of course, a lot of you out there, and including me, probably won't go and get a big pot of whey to make it yourself. But at least That's Amore makes the best of the best ricotta. I feel like I should make a little recipe for you now that you've shown me how to make ricotta.
That's why I come here today.
Oh, of course, anything for you, Giorgio. I'm going to make a delicious ice cream.